We start with some breaking news. There's a huge fire that has been reported in Thane next to Mumbai fire. There's this happening at a Mumbai factory. This is happening near Mumbai. Nearly 30 people have been evacuated from the building. Few people are also suspected to be trapped inside. I have my colleague Radhika Ramaswamy reporting with more details on this story. Tell us, Radhika, what really happened and where is this fire exactly?
This is an MIDC industrial area of Dombivli, which is in Thane. In fact, this is an industrial area where multiple occurrences of fire have happened in the past as well. Now, this has happened in an industrial factory, and this happened just about half an hour back. It is a chemical explosion that has taken place in one of the factories. It is a blast that occurred in a factory in phase 2 of MIDC area in Dombivli. Now what we are hearing is that it has spread to a couple of factories in the vicinity as well. We are being told that at least about 20 people have been rescued from there. A few people are injured. We're not entirely certain if more people are trapped. We will speak to officials and get an update whether there are people fear trapped. But a boiler explosion taking place in one of the factories, plumes of smoke can be seen in the entire area because this is an industrial area. Several chemical factories are around there. Even a few automobile factories are also in the vicinity, including a Hyundai showroom. We believe that this fire has spread in a few areas, in a few of these factories in the vicinity. But at this point, injuries are being reported. No death as yet. At least about 4 to 5 fire engines have been rushed to the spot to douse the fire. This has also led to, shattering of glass in some of these factories as well as a result of this boiler blast that has taken place. More details are awaited, but at this point, firefighting operations are still going on. This is an industrial area where occurrences of fire have taken place in the past as well, but we'll have to wait for official update on the exact number of injured and whether people are really trapped inside this particular factory.
Thank you, Radhika, for joining us with those details. Fire has broken out in Thane. Of course, the process of evacuation is still on. Radhika, also tell us how is the government looking at this, and is there any response from the administration? And also tell us about the evacuation bit. What processes have been put in place?
Well, at this point, fire brigade officials are at the spot and civic body officials from there also at the spot. And even the locals, we believe, are helping in the firefighting operation and in the rescue work as well. We're yet to hear from the government officials. But of course, the priority right now is to ensure that people are not trapped. So which is why firefighting operations are going on, and at least about 20 people have been rescued from there. 6 to 7 people have been injured is the information that we are getting. Whether there are more people trapped inside, that is something we are yet to get a confirmation on. Multiple fire brigade officials, fire brigade vehicles are at the spot to douse the fire. This is a chemical factory. This is a boiler explosion that led to fire, which is spread in the nearby factories and units as well. We believe that a Hyundai factory has also been affected as a result of it, but more details being awaited. Rescue operations are happening at this point. Firefighting is going on, but 6 to 7 injuries is the latest information that we're getting.
Right. Radhika, also tell us a little bit about this place where this, fire has broken out. Is this, very close to Mumbai, and, is this in the heart of Thane? Where is this exactly, or in the outer limits of Mumbai, which, in some ways has also been considered as one of the important suburbs where industries have come up?
Yes, certainly. This is in the outskirts of Mumbai. It is close to 2 hours from the city of Mumbai. This is in Thane. This is a place called Bhivandi, which is filled with several factories and industries, including textiles and automobile as well. MIDC is an industrial area where we have witnessed some serious fire incidents in the past as well. Hopefully this is not as serious. We'll have to wait for some more time to understand the exact extent of damage and casualty. But right now what we are being given to understand is that about 20 people have been rescued, several injured, about 6 to 7 injured. Many could be fear trapped, but that is a confirmation that we are awaiting at this point. And also we believe that because of rising temperatures in Mumbai and outskirts of Mumbai, obviously the operation is becoming difficult for the firefighters, but at this point operation still going on. It may take a couple of hours for it to sort of conclude, but as a result, due to the impact of the explosion, glasses, the sort of glass panes in the industrial area was shattered, and minor injuries also being received is the information that we are getting. Also, residents of the area are also at this point at the spot trying to sort of douse the fire and rushing to help. So injured, we are given to understand, have been admitted to the hospital. And as I said, this is an industrial area, multiple factories there. So as a result of the explosion in one particular unit, it may have impacted the units in the vicinity as well, which is why, we could see plumes of smoke in the entire neighborhood, something that happens, we've seen in the past as well when there are fire incidents in these industrial areas. But to understand the extent of damage or possible casualty, we'll have to wait for some more time.